IT band syndrome is a common problem we see amongst our athletic population, specifically with runners. If you're having lateral hip pain, one of the most commonly associated problems is tight lateral hips. So we'll show you some stretches to help relieve some of those muscles. So the first one we're going to do is for a muscle called your glute med, or gluteus medius. So if you have a table, counter, even a couch, it doesn't necessarily have to be this high. I'm going slightly below waist height. The higher you go, the more challenging this stretch is going to be. So I'm going to grab my leg, lift it up, just rest it on the table. Now, if you don't feel a stretch here, you can push down a little bit harder into the table on that knee, or you can just lean forward into the stretch. Now, my left leg's on the ground, so I should feel this in my right hip. Now, that is a bit of an advanced stretch. If you want to stretch those muscles in a little less aggressive way, go ahead and lay down on the floor, table, anything will do. And all you'll do is pull your knee towards your opposite shoulder. And again, you should feel it through the glutes. We'll hold each of these stretches for about 20 seconds, 3 times. And even if you're only feeling it on one side, you want to make sure you do both, just so you make sure you stay even. Good. And I'll show you one more stretch. So this time, you're going to cross your legs over like so. Grab your thigh and just pull up towards you. So again, this one, you'll feel in the glutes. You're actually stretching a different hip muscle called your piriformis. These tight muscles are very commonly associated with a number of problems, but with IT band syndrome, it's very important specifically that we loosen these up. If you suspect you have IT band syndrome, IT band friction syndrome, or any injury upper or lower extremity at all, I recommend that you see a physical therapist and be evaluated fully so they can assess not just what you think the problem is, but other weaknesses and compensation patterns along the way, and we can get you going. So please call or click the link below. Come on over to Loudoun Sports Therapy Center so we can schedule for an evaluation.